The power of ancient Chinese medicine right here in the Old Pueblo.
Yes, Jade Star Acupuncture and Wellness helps people feel better every day. And Esmeralda Mustain is here to talk about something that is called Gua Sha. I've never heard of this before. It's great to have you back.
Hi, thank you for having me back.
So let's talk about what this treatment is. And you're going to be giving a demonstration, I know, too.
Yes, JC is helping me today. Thank you, JC. Gua Sha is a Chinese medical technique. It's very ancient and it's a scraping technique. Basically, it helps to move the stagnation from the muscles by getting the old blood to the surface, and then new blood can come into the muscles.
And so you're getting rid of the toxins, kind of removing them from the muscle.
Yeah, basically you are helping the body to release toxins, and you can treat acute conditions too, like cold, when you catch a cold, or any respiratory infection.
And it can help speed up the recovery from those ailments. And so JC here is going to be demonstrated on. So what are the tools, some of the tools you brought here? Describe them to us as you get started on JC.
The Gua Sha can be done with different tools. The only thing you need is they have rounded edges, so you are not hurting the person or creating cuts.
Right.
So it can be, this is a ceramic spoon. We have something like, this is a jade tool.
Very smooth.
It's smooth. And even a horn, like this is a buffalo horn. And it's the same. The rule is it has to be really smooth in the edges.
Okay, we can keep asking you questions while you go ahead and show us how this works. So you put some oil on, and then you're going to start doing the scraping, because we're all familiar with cupping, and I think we're all familiar with acupuncture, but what does this help treat?
Well, it helps with musculoskeletal disorders like frozen shoulder and back pain, any kind of neck pain. So anything that is related to releasing muscles and helping the muscles recover. And when there is lack of mobility, a lot of times it's because there is not a flow of blood. So by doing this, we kind of regenerate the flow, the natural flow of blood.
And is this something that we can start to feel immediately, or does it take a few sessions? What does it look like? And
no, you will have immediate relief. Like for example, if you come with bronchitis or something like that, what we do is the area of the lungs is where we're scraping, and we scrape up to take it off the phlegm. And as you can see, she starts getting red immediately.
Right. So would you perform? Would you perform this on an athlete? Say, you played in a football game, or you're a runner, and would you do that following?
Yeah, you can do that for maintenance too. But if you have an injury and you need to, like, some kind of pains that don't go away easily. You're struggling to recover, it's like the Gua Sha, since you are creating inflammation, the body is sending resources to the area for healing, to promote the healing.
So it's all collecting there. So I know she's turning a little bit red. I don't know if you do deep techniques on some people and maybe lighter on others?
She has a lighter skin, so you will see faster reaction on lighter skin, but to really receive the full benefit of the Gua Sha, we have to create a lot of inflammation, so you don't really stop until it is really, until you get the Sha. This is called Sha, and the Sha can be really red or even a little bit purple. But here for the muscles of the neck, like that is the thing that we can help to release tension in the muscles.
You really get in there. Now, is this going to be painful for people, or is it relaxing? What do customers generally tell you, patients?
You can have a little bit of discomfort after the session if it is done vigorously, like really hard. But really, usually don't. You won't have any of that. And since we are promoting healing to the body, it's kind of helping the body, so people feels like it's worth it.
I think JC fell asleep down there. I think she's out like a light, and I can imagine this would be very relaxing and generally good for people of any age. Or are there any ages that should not get this done?
It can be done for all ages.
Okay.
And if you can see here, like some purpleness is already appearing, that means stagnation. So we are so much more gentle with children. Of course, with children, only want a little bit of redness.
Okay.
Well, I think it's
with
fascinating.
People who have more chronic worse issues.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. Nice to see you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Also for being a good sport. And right now, Jade Star Acupuncture is offering a $99 new patient special, which is normally $120. That includes a 90-minute appointment. If you want more info, head over to jadestaracupuncture.com or call 520-881-0827.